If you're interested in setting your own schedule, working from home, helping people, and getting paid for it, then listen up. The Motor Club of America is an amazing opportunity for you to earn a great income just for telling people about a service that they already need. MCA provides roadside assistance, towing up to 100 miles, emergency benefits, travel assistance, hotel discounts, and much more. Members will also be covered for emergency room care as a result of accidents for as much as $54,750 in daily benefits. And that's just some of the benefits members receive. If you've ever had a flat tire or been involved in an accident, you know how scary and expensive it can be. This service can be a real lifesaver. You only pay $39.90 to become an MCA agent, and then you will be paid $80 for each new referral you send in. As an authorized agent, you'll receive comprehensive training and lead generation tools to help attract customers to you daily. Paychecks are sent weekly. Some agents average 5 to 8 new clients daily, but there's no limit to the number of referrals you can have or the amount of income you can earn. How many other places do you know that will pay you $80 for each referral? Are you ready to start earning a great income from home?
So y'all see it. Let me go back one more time for y'all. It's not a game. It's not a game at all. I can teach you exactly how. It's not that hard. I work for a company called MCA. For y'all who don't know, I know you already do. You get these benefits. It's AAA's competition, so they definitely come get your car for tow, battery change, fuel change. If you're on the side of the road, they take you wherever you need to go. But on the bright side of it, you get to make money from the company too, because every customer you bring them, you get $80. I don't work a 9 to 5. I don't work a job. I sit at home on my butt in my pajamas sometime, and I make all of this on a weekly basis. We get paid every Friday, direct deposit or check. This could be you, and it's not a long wait. You can do this in a week. You can do this in a week, and I teach you exactly how to do that.
So I wanted to log into my back office and show you guys exactly how much money I've made since I've been with MCA. And this is the home MCA page that you come to buy your coverage from, your benefits. This is the option that you choose. This is the $40 option, $19.99 a month. And let's go back into my back office and show you guys how much I've made. So I'm going to go to associate payments, and I'm going to start from the beginning. And I started on June. Alright, so here are all the payments that I received since the first week. My first week was the 6/14/2012, was $483. We're actually going to do the math so y'all can see how much I've made. So we got $483 plus $1646 plus $1,181 plus $666 $689 plus $742, and yesterday I was paid $672. And that gives us a grand total of $6,080.85. That's how much I've made in 7 weeks, y'all. And I actually want to show you my personal sales for each person I get, and show you like each week how much I'm paid. So we're actually going to go from the beginning here too. Start back in June. And I want to show you my first week. This is my first day of my first sale. It was the 8th of June. It was my first sale. My second day I got 6 people. On the 9th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, actually 7 people. So you guys see that hard work really does pay off. And then we're gonna go all the way down. These are everybody I got paid for. You see 88. I got paid 88 for some people. I got paid 84 for some people. I got paid 82 for some people. And the pay rate goes up. That's why you see different ones. It goes up depending on how many people you got in a week. So that's all my team sales. That's all my personal sales. Let me show you my team sales, because my team sales, to show you guys that people on my team, I'm not the only person on my team making money. There's a lot of people on my team making money. It's not even a little bit. I'm actually training everybody up real good, because the results show. Me being at the top, of course, right here, and everyone in yellow is a person that I trained directly. And here's the kind of like the key for it. The yellow is first generation people I trained. The blue is the people they trained. Purple is people they trained, and they train Ghost out. So everybody in yellow is somebody that I trained. So you see that, okay, so of course you got people right under me who are right under me doing good. And here's my whole team. All of these people have seen checks. All of these people have made my boards. And that is 876 people under me who have actually made a check. So that's amazing for me. I really think that is amazing that I've impacted that many people to make money, y'all. So you guys can see that it's just not me making money. It's everybody that's under me making money. Not everybody. I'm not going to say everybody, because you do got some lazy people out there. So that's pretty much it. I showed you guys how much I made. I showed you everything pretty much. So you guys hit me up. Jamar Cashed Out.
We out here. Look for bigger things in 2013. This Matrix. A lot of people are going to be making some very nice incomes next year. This is very real. We're going to take you inside. Stay tuned.
$1.33 a day. Not wasting money. Not wasting money. Putting money in a place that you can possibly create wealth. So this is the Matrix reward dollars. This is what came out of that. Now what's interesting is that the company already had a Matrix. This is not new. Now for those of you that have experience in the industry of network marketing and home-based businesses, you hear about some programs out there right now that have a Matrix. But guess what? They're new, they're not proven. This company has been paying out Matrix reward dollars for years on the trucker side. As a matter of fact, the marketing arm of the company is TVC Matrix. That's the name. It's in the name of the company. It's been in the name of the company. You think they may know how to do it?
Change. New clothes, new cars, new things. Them same boys that used to be at the bottom came up, that's what they say. Used to not be allowed in the building, but now we on the rooftop.
I tell you what, you guys are phenomenal. You really are. I'm sitting here, I'm looking out at this crowd, and I look at everyone, and I think, you know what, everybody here has a dream. That's the most exciting part to me, because that's where everything starts. It doesn't matter where you've been, What matters is where you're going. And today is the day you get to hit that reset button. Think about that. Haven't you always wanted a reset button that says, today I get to start all over? And I get to go forward. And today is the day you're going forward. And what phenomenal leaders you have. I mean, I sit here and I've watched these guys. I've watched them on the internet. They are phenomenal. So if you're going to get behind somebody that's pulling that train forward. And you guys have got it, okay? You're kicking it off here in Atlanta. And I am so excited because I know what your future is going to look like. The thing that I know is the future that I had was very small compared to the future that we have today. And I know it's possible. The only thing that can ever hold you back is you. So if you don't like where you're going, go look in the mirror. And as Mr. Coffee used to tell me, get a checkup from the neck up. Because you need to figure out why you're not moving forward. And you know, one thing that I want to do, you know, you guys have seen a lot of stuff on the internet that says, is this a scam? Is this company for real? How do we know they're not going to go out of business tomorrow? Those are great questions, okay? When I started back in 1990, it was actually December the 7th of 1990 that I started with this company. So I'm just now journeying on that 23-year trip. And man, it's gone fast because I still think I'm the same age now I was then. I refuse to get older. And I think this business keeps you young because you're always energized. But you know when you've got something good is when you can wake up every day and be happy. You're excited. You can't wait to talk to somebody about what you're doing. That's when you know you're at the right place. So you guys are at the right place. You're at the right time. And you're finally with the right company. So welcome home. You know, just to give you a little bit of background on the company, Mr. Virgil Coffee is the owner of the company, and he did write the original prepaid legal plan. The marketing plan for them was the marketing arm. So they started out as a little bitty company, went from about $1.3 million up to $47 million in a real short period of time. So he was with one of those companies that says, whoa, put the brakes on, we can't pay the commissions. You guys have got to stop writing so much business. He will never do that to you, I guarantee it, because he knew what it did to him. So
you already know what it is. Pretty much, we just had a big meeting over here in Atlanta. It's a very real opportunity. Jamal over here, 20 years old.
Killed it today.
Big, making high five figures next year. He's going to be a millionaire. That's it. I'm going to be a millionaire next year. He's going to be a millionaire. There's going to be a lot of millionaires. The people that are in this room are going to be millionaires in 2013. This is a real company, Motor Club of America.
And it's not about us, it's about everyone.
Everybody.
Everyone. We're not the only ones succeeding. Everyone's doing it. So that's the main key we're trying to get with MCA is it's something for everyone, and everyone's going to succeed like they have been already.
Exactly. If you guys want to take charge of your life, become financially fit, become your own boss, start working from home just like us, you definitely need to do it. MCA Motor Club of America, it's DeMar Cashed Out.
Platinum, we are out.
Close on Mondays.
Platinum.
Online money, you see where we're at out here in Atlanta.
Mastermind event.
Masterminding, meeting some Atlanta bosses. I mean, I don't have to speak for these vehicles. You know how much they cost. You know what type of people drive these. And I'm not talking about drug dealers or athletes or anything like that. But we're making money the right way, the legal way.
Yes, sir.
Bosses, just remember these faces.
You need to get you some.
Chris Childs.
Yarma, Chad Thompson.
You know, Seymour Green.
It's your boy Young Stunner. Y'all may know me from Instagram.
This is online money right here.
You see where we're at?
This is what this is.
The Burbs. This is not the hood. You see what type of lifestyle. So
business owners.
And the guy behind the
yeah.
You know, you gotta recognize this face. Come on, man.
It's Sunday, which means it's
Sunday.
closed tomorrow. I'm not gonna be able to catch
What time? Hold up. What time is it? What time is it? I'm not waking.
It's like 2:30 or something.
2:42. Can you focus in on this? 2:42, Monday, December 17th.
There we
Okay. Not only is he making money on his phone at 2:42 a.m., I'm closed on Mondays. Look, I'm not waking up tomorrow until maybe 10, 11 a.m. Maybe noon. You know, that's it.
Look, guys, if you've been dreaming about being an entrepreneur for years now, it's about time that you've been seeing some of us. Yeah. You've seen somebody.
See the faces.
It's about time you reach out and ask how.
2012. It's 2012, and six-figure earners over here, all of us.
Yes, sir.
7 figures in 2013.
Yes, sir.
All right, so pretty much, I don't plan on having this. Hold on. I don't plan on having this key for much longer.
Oh yeah,
This is the
beginners.
You should know, but I don't plan. This is a starter car.
This is a starter.
This is a starter kit. You know, this is a starter kit. So I don't plan for much longer. But
yo, guys, I'm gonna be real with you guys. If you don't like BMW Black Man Wish, I'm gonna show you something. S550 doesn't lie, guys.
Yeah.
You can only be an entrepreneur or a boss to drive one of these.
Only way.
Only way. There's no way you can be an employee driving one of these or one of those.
Make a decision. Make a decision to change your life.
New at 11 tonight, a trip to Vegas for a local couple lands the husband in the hospital, but a lucky bet on a $36 insurance policy more than pays for itself 2 months later. NBC 10's Byron Scott explains.
It was a flight that could have cost them tens of thousands of dollars. Instead, Daniel and Bernice Barrow of Mount Airy paid $36 for a medevac flight from Las Vegas to Northeast Philadelphia Airport.
Right now, he can't walk on his own. He's been in the bed since he's been in the hospital.
Their ordeal began on September 13th. That's when Daniel became ill and was hospitalized with kidney failure. And what should have been a 2-week vacation turned into 3 weeks in a Vegas hospital.
I would have just been there until he was able to get on a regular plane.
Doctors said Barrow could not take a commercial flight. Their only choice was a medical flight, but the cost was through the roof.
Anywhere between $16,000 and $20,000. So then we went dollars, exactly.
A family friend reminded them that they had signed up 2 months ago with the National Motor Club of America, which is a type of insurance policy. The $18 a month premium covered the cost of the medical flight from Las Vegas.
A huge difference. Not only that, it was a big blessing.
The family says Barrow's condition has been stabilized. He was taken to a rehabilitation center in the Northeast, and while it's not known how long he'll be there, the family says they're glad he's back home.
You've made it this far. Congratulations. I will now share with you information about the company, the product, and the compensation that you can enjoy by being one of their referring customers. This story has its start in July of 1926 in Newark, New Jersey, when William Green and his two brothers, Samuel and David, decided to capitalize on the fast-growing automobile industry by forming Motor Club of America. It was formed to provide emergency roadside assistance to the growing motoring public. Now, soon thereafter, they also formed Motor Club of America Auto Insurance Company to provide auto insurance to its membership base. By the late 1990s, all the original founders had passed away, and the Motor Club portion had been split from the auto insurance portion and sold to another company that had already been providing roadside assistance to truck drivers. It was called TVC Marketing, which stands for Trucker's Voice in Court. TVC Marketing was formed in 1987 by Mr. Virgil Coffey. Now, his son, Glenn Coffey, actually serves as the company's legal counsel and also just so happens to be the Secretary of State for Oklahoma. Now, here's where things get to be very interesting. Mr. Coffey, as part of his original sales agreement, had agreed not to use the name Motor Club of America, or MCA, because Motor Club of America Auto Insurance was still operating in the Northeast and they did not want to confuse its customers. So the name was basically put on the shelf until October of 2011. after the patents had all expired. Mr. Coffee pulled it off the shelf, dusted it off, added some everyday benefits over and above just emergency roadside assistance, and created the most lucrative customer referral program in the industry. And he re-released it. By June of 2012, it had become the most talked about work-from-home customer referral program on the internet. And here's why. They have found a way to pay 100 to 200% commissions for each and every new member you refer to the company. Now, that fact alone wouldn't matter much if the services offered had very little value and thus few people actually wanted them, or conversely, had so much value that few people could afford them. Well, that's not the case. You see, millions need and want these valuable services, and with packages starting at only $9.95 monthly, just about everyone can afford them. We actually have 5 different levels of membership packages. Let's start with 2 of our biggest sellers. The first one is the Total Security Benefits package. Now that's only $19.95 monthly and is a tremendous value, and here's why. Currently, there are over 50 million Americans with little to no health care benefits due to the massive recent job losses and reduction in benefits by major companies all across America over the last 10 years. We can help. Our Total Security Benefits package includes $500 in cash for covered emergency room visits. Why is this so important? Well, because according to the National Safety Council, every 1.5 seconds someone in America is rushed to the hospital as a result of an auto accident. And that's not all. Did you know that 3.9 million people a year have accidents at work? 7.3 million have accidents at home, and 6.4 million have accidents in public places like parks, restaurants, the movies, and anywhere else. We got you covered, with a $500 cash benefit paid directly to you if you end up in the ER. If you happen to be admitted to the hospital, we'll provide you with up to $54,750 in cash paid out at a rate of $150 per day up to a full year. Now, according to the National Safety Council, every 12 minutes someone in America is killed as a result of an automobile accident. Well, if that unfortunate situation were to happen to you, we will provide your estate with $10,000 to provide for your loved ones. You also have the option of adding an additional $50,000 at no cost to you. Your Total Security Benefits package also includes discounts on vision care at 60% off, 15% off on LASIK surgery. You also receive dental services up to a 50% discount and pharmacy discounts at 60% off on generic drugs and 25% off name brand. And of course, the name of our company is Motor Club of America. So we certainly have you covered when it comes to emergency roadside assistance, like vehicle lockouts or battery boost or flat tire repair or towing up to 100 miles, and even gas delivery if you run out of gas. You've just heard about some of the more than $154,000 worth of cash benefits available to all of our Total Security package members at only $19.95 a month. However, our new flagship product is our Total Security Platinum package for only $39 a month. It has 3 unique added benefits in addition to the $19.95 package. So you'll receive everything there, but you'll also receive expanded legal benefits, deeply discounted fixed rates on commonly used legal matters. And if you've ever had to call an attorney, you already know that the going rate is anywhere between $150 to $300 per hour. Here's what you'll receive. You'll receive a name change at a flat rate of only $155. You can receive a simple will and trust at a flat rate of only $170. A simple divorce is only $210, and a biz incorporation is only $295. You also receive free telephone consultation on any personal legal matter, as well as letters written on your behalf. The second unique feature on the Platinum package is discounts on auto repair at more than 6,000 facilities across America. Names that you know and recognize, like Jiffy Lube, 10% or more off. Mako Paint and Body, 10% or more off. Meineke Muffler, 10% or more. Precision Auto, 10% or more. Winston Tire, 10% or more. Safelite Auto Glass, 10% or more, or even Amical Transmission at 10% or more. Our last unique benefit to the Platinum Package is our very unique and very lucrative Member Rewards Program that actually pays our members very handsomely for referring at least 3 new members to our Platinum Package. Members could actually receive anywhere from a few hundred extra dollars per month to a few $1,000s per month in its very unique customer rewards program. So, we've talked about the history of the company. We've also talked about the much needed benefits. Now, let's talk about the phenomenal income potential. You see, for every new member that you refer to either the Total Security Package, which is less than $40 to start and less than $20 a month thereafter, or the Total Security Platinum Package, which is less than $80 to start and less than $40 a month thereafter, you'll receive a minimum referral fee of $80 on either package. So that equals between 100 and 200% of what was initially received by the company, depending on which package was selected. So that's either $40 in and $80 out, or $80 in and $80 out. You're probably wondering at this point, how can a company afford to do that and stay in business long term? Well, it's simple. They already know that most people that get these valuable benefit packages with so many bundled in services like medical, legal, and roadside assistance will keep the membership for many, many years to come. So imagine for a moment, if you will, if you shared this information with only 10 people over the next 30 days who took action. That's an extra $800 added to your bank balance for the month. Now, some are actually accomplishing this goal in as little as a week, and a few have actually done it in a day. Now, that was good, but it gets even better. Let's just say those same 10 people wanted to make an extra $800 themselves. So they went out and shared it with 10 people who took action. So now they would make the $800, but guess what? You would make an extra $6 per referral. How is that? Well, you get paid $6 per referral times 100 equals $600 extra dollars for you. So now let's add it together. You've already made $800 from your personal referrals. You've made another $600 from your referrals. That's $1,400 extra dollars. How quickly? It's up to you. Some people do that in a month. Some people do that in a week. Some people actually do it in a day. Now, if you happen to be an experienced marketer and know you're going to build a huge team of referring members, then guess what? You're going to love the fact that this compensation will pay you as many as 8 levels deep, earning you anywhere from $100,000 per year to more than $1 million per year. And guess what? You only started with $39.90. And by the way, the most you'll ever spend is less than $40 a month.
So yeah, 3 months ago, I found myself in a situation where I was doing security, and I was making $10 an hour, working 40 hours a week. And basically the way it worked out is, I'd get up and I'd go out halfway across town, and for 8 hours of my day, I'd do exactly what it was that I was asked to do. Go stand over there, direct traffic, stand at their door and check their bags as they come in, Make sure those people aren't doing anything they're supposed to. Just basically whatever it is that they needed me to do for 8 hours, that's what I was doing. And at the end of that day, they shake my hand. Thank you, Mr. Williams. We appreciate your help. And we owe you $80. We'll pay you Friday. And I do that Monday through Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And then come Friday, they hand me a check for $400. Oh no, not even. They hand me a check for about $385, $370, because, we got to pay taxes. So I get this check for $380. at the end of, Monday through Friday, I didn't got up at 6 o'clock in the morning and didn't go home till 2 o'clock in the afternoon, or went to work at 9:30 and didn't go home till 6 o'clock in the afternoon. And at the end of that whole week, all I have to show for it is this check for $380. And I'm supposed to accumulate some type of wealth. I'm supposed to be able to break that cycle, and that's supposed to make sense. Well, it doesn't. So what happened was, I was on Facebook and I keep seeing these pictures of people flashing all this cash, talking about Motor Club of America, MCA, TVC marketing, this, that, and the other. And you see stuff on Facebook, and people put anything on there, and it really didn't. It wasn't something that struck me as real. So I didn't really pay it too much attention. But then I actually saw Anthony Landrum's page, and me and Anthony come from the same state. We grew up around the same group of people, same area, same time. And I kind of thought to myself, like, man, if Anthony's out there doing this thing like that, what? Maybe there's something to this Motor Club of America. So I took the time to actually do some research. Look at the videos that are all over Facebook, all over YouTube. I mean, you can't even type in Motor Club of America on Google without getting, 100+ pages of people and videos talking about what's going on. So basically, I was just tired of getting the same results. I was tired of working all week, and not having anything to show for it. And then I see these people talking about, well, if you come listen to what I got to say, I can show you how to, make that amount of money. You make $80 a day. I can show you how to make that in a couple of hours. And I'm like, I don't do that. I don't deal with them type of things. Like, no, it's all legit. It's Motor Club of America. It's a company that's been in business since 1926. Real good standings. You can Google them. Not that type of situation. Definitely do your research, and when you know what's going on, come talk to me. So that's what I did. And what I found out is this company, Motor Club of America, is an excellent company. I realized that these are benefits that I could use. I'm 25 years old and I don't have health insurance, But now that I'm a member of Motor Club of America, I sleep easy. If anything happens to me, I find myself in a situation where I get hurt, I'm going to the hospital. I'm going straight to the ER, And I know that based on the fact that I'm a member and I pay my monthly dues and I'm a part of this society and this group of people, that I'm going to get a check for $500 if I need to go to the emergency room. And that makes me feel good. That's great. I'll pay $19 a month just for that benefit. But on top of that, you got your 24/7 roadside assistance. I lock my keys in my car. I get in an accident, whatever the case may be. Anything that happens to me, these people are gonna take care of me. And for $20 a month, that's less than I pay for my cell phone bill. That's less than, you can't do anything with $20 a month. But that's besides the point. The big picture here is the money. The big picture is the money. And basically what I found out was that for every person that you bring into this company, every person that you refer, to this company, basically they pay you $80. Okay? So if you look at the numbers on that, you refer one person a day for 5 days a week, that's $400. That's the same amount of money you would make getting up and working a 40-hour-a-week job at $10 an hour. So that I had to stop and think about that, and when I realized how great the benefits were, it made sense to me that, wait a second, it's not going to take me all day talking about this program to get people to say, yeah, I want to be a part of that, especially when I let them know you can make money doing this. Every person that you bring on to the company, you're going to make $80. And then when that person goes out and they bring somebody on, you're going to make $6. You can't lose. And to start this program, it's $40. $40. $40 is not a lot of money. And when I tell people about the program, that's the main thing that I get. Well, it sounds like something that I want to do, but right now I can't really afford to part with that $40. I hear you, but you can't afford not to take advantage of this opportunity. $40, that's two $20 bills, 20, 40. $40. That's what it takes to come be a part of the program. And as soon as you get set up, you just start talking to people about your benefits. You tell them how awesome this program is, because realistically it is that great. For $20 a month, you're getting your 24/7 roadside assistance. You know, first thing that you get is your card. They send you out this card, you know, and you call them 24/7 if you're involved in any type of situation. I don't care if you're behind the wheel of your car or not. A lot of people don't know this. If you're involved in any type of an accident, you need to go to the emergency room for whatever the case may be. Motor Club of America is going to reimburse you, send you a check for $500. For $500 just for needing to go to the ER. Rest assured, that makes me feel comfortable knowing that I have that type of coverage. If for whatever the reason may be, I need to be admitted into the hospital and spend some time in there, Motor Club of America is going to reimburse me $150 a day up to a year. So that means they'll pay me $150 every day all the way out until we get to a year. So if I'm sitting on my back and I can't make any money going to work or doing whatever the case may be, they're going to pay me. But you know what I'm going to be doing? I'm going to be in there on my back on my computer signing people up for Motor Club of America and still getting money. So just think about that. There's no limit to where you can take this program. So look at the big picture here. Like I said earlier, you know, in an 8-hour day doing security, the most money I can make was $80. All it takes is one person a day to say yes to this program, and I make that same amount of money. And all it takes is, realistically, I get on Facebook and I post my pictures, I do a video, I socialize, or I go out and I just, you know, take a walk, talk to my neighbors, and I tell them about the program. I get one person to say yes every day, minimum. And I get $80 every day. That's simple. And if I feel like being an overachiever, you know, and really pushing myself, I get 2 people, and I make $160 for that day, every day, you know. And if I do that every day, Monday through Friday, 2 people a day, that's a $1,200 check come Friday. And then say I don't even decide to stop Saturday and Sunday. I work Saturday and Sunday. That's $1,600 a week, sitting at home on my couch by myself, if I want to. You know, just doing whatever. You guys get it yet? No, I'm just playing. But seriously, all jokes aside, I really want you guys to come be a part of this. Reach out, give me a call, ask questions. I'm here. You know, I don't have a job. This is what I do, so I'm available. You know, if you still don't have an understanding as to what's going on after all this, hit me up.
Hey everybody, it's Crystal Taylor here, and I just wanted to share with you how excited I am today, guys. Like, seriously, this is my 9th week into TVC Matrix, and I've made over $20,000. I am no professional marketer. I'm no online guru, guys. I'm a normal person just like you, and I'm going to show you how you can do it too. Visit jobmca.com to get started now, guys. That's jobmca.com. Go ahead and go there now to get started. I'm going to show you some proof right here. Here is my TVC Matrix back office, guys, and we sell Motor Club of America benefits for $19.95 a month. Every person that you sign up for $19.95 a month, you get paid $80 commissions. And if you sign up over 30 people in 1 week, you get $90 per sale, like I did, guys. I'm going to go ahead and go into my associate payments tab. Let that load. Just a second, guys. Click associate payments. Sorry, my computer's being a little slow. Bear with me here. I think it's because I got Facebook open. But here we go. We got to change this date and put in the 6th from when I started. And as you can see, guys, I made $2,629, $2,453, $1,000, $1,000, $2,000, $2,000, $2,000, $4,000, $4,000. Okay. Add those up, guys. Those are amazing numbers. And let me tell you about this. Like I just said, I never have done anything online besides Z&Z. You know, I'm not no professional online marketer. I'm 24 years old. I'm a mother of 2. I'm, you know, just like you out there. probably looking for a legitimate way to make money online. Stop the rat race, stop, the 9 to 5, stop working and making somebody else rich. Work for yourself, guys. You gotta be money motivated. Don't sit there and think, oh, this is a scam. It's not a scam, guys. Like, I'm showing you the proof right here. This has changed my life. It has changed my family's life. Can you imagine the stress that has been taken off of me and my relationship, not having to worry about money, guys? It's just amazing. I've gotten a new house. I've gotten things that I've wanted for my kids for freaking years now. So step up, guys. Take initiative. If you want to be an online entrepreneur and have your own business, MCA is a great way to start, guys. Imagine if you had this $10,000 to funnel into other businesses, what you could do. People could open a restaurant. The possibilities are endless, guys. And if you just keep sitting there and thinking, oh, well, I'm just going to go work at McDonald's, or I'm going to, keep being a lawyer, whatever you're doing, guys, don't quit your motivations and your goals in life, but you also need to think bigger. Think about your future. Think about how much this income could change your life, guys. Literally, I turned $39 into 20 G's. And the only thing I'm paying is a monthly fee of $19.95 a month to cover my Motor Club of America benefits, like roadside assistance, towing, and I've used it so many times. Me and my family went to Houston last weekend, and I got stranded at the Galleria parking lot. What did I do? I called MCA, and they were there within 30 minutes to tow me and my family to the brake repair shop. So, these types of things happen all the time. Who doesn't need that coverage for $20 a month, guys?
One question I'm always asked about Motor Club of America's amazing business opportunity is it really worth it? My answer? Yes. Cha-ching! Here's why Motor Club of America offers the most competitive compensation in the industry. It's because every time you refer someone and they pay $40 for an enrollment fee, the company pays you $80 in commission. That's double your money.
How can they afford to do that?
It's pretty simple when you think about it. You see, each customer pays $19.95 a month. And they're banking on those customers sticking around for a while because, after all, they offer great benefits and great services.
What kind of benefits?
Well, that's where Motor Club of America really shines. See, not only is it an amazing business opportunity, but they offer services to their customers such as roadside assistance, life assurance, legal services, and hospital assistance, and so much more.
Cha-ching.
And that's the taste of a great deal. And remember, Motor Club of America is a reputable program. They've been around for 86 years. Your customers will enjoy the security and protection of one of the most comprehensive auto club benefits programs in America. And you're going to be rich. Believe me, you don't want to miss out on this opportunity.
Cha-ching!